Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have started the Unit 8 of your NCERT book, that is decimals, and again you are here with your ma'am Ashu Sharma. So let's begin the 8.2 exercise, dear students, today. So before starting 8.2 exercise, let us quickly revise 8.1. In 8.1, what we have studied, let us quickly take a look. So dear students, in our previous videos, I taught you about the decimal numbers and how we can pronounce the decimal numbers like 2.65, 1.24, like this. So we have read about the decimal numbers in our previous videos, and also we have discussed the place value chart. We have discussed place value chart, that this is the decimal point, and on the right hand side the first digit is termed as ones. Then while moving to left hand side, the second digit will be tens, next hundreds, next thousands, etc. And while moving on right hand side of the decimal, we have no ones is there. We'll start with tenths, THS, tens, then hundreds, then thousands, etc. So likewise, we have discussed all these place values in our previous videos. Now once again, let us see, and in our previous video we moved only up to the one decimal point after the decimal, but now in this exercise we'll include two places after the decimal. The first place after the decimal is tenths and next is hundreds. So let us see what is there in question number 1 now. So what is first question? Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. Dear students, as you can see in the first question, the various boxes are given to us. Like, let us take the B part, and in this you can see there is a square given to us, and there are 100 boxes, small squares in this single square. ये पूरे स्केयर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्केयर. And it consists of 100 small squares, as you can see in the first part. And out of these 100 small square boxes, few are marked with the dots. कुछ हमारे पास dots के साथ mark हैं, and few small boxes are left blank. So how we can study, how we can read out the decimal number using these boxes, let me explain you this. Dear students, as a single big square box contains small 100 squares, so as you all know, the total is always written in the denominator. Like when you get the marks in your exam, in what way your teacher gives you the marks? Like 79 out of 80 means total marks हम हमेशा कहाँ लिखते हैं? Denominator में, and the marks obtained are written in numerator. Same here, the total number of small boxes of the square are 100, so total number of boxes 100, and how many are marked with the dots, that we will write in the numerator. So in this way, using this concept, we will write the decimal numbers. So let's do the first part, dear students, and after that we'll fill this table also. You have to make this table in your notebook using pencil and scale, and write down the titles with the help of pen. So let's start. So dear students, in the first A part, there is only one square box given to us. The big square box is only one. So how many small squares are there in this box? 100. So how do we write? We'll write 100 for the total number of boxes. Now out of these total number of boxes, just look at the figure given to you. How many boxes are marked with the dots? Now before that, there are 10 square boxes, small boxes along the column and 10 are along the rows. So let us count the number of boxes. The first column contains 10, all are dotted, 10. Second column consists of 10 dots, 10 plus 10, 20. In the third column, let us count after 20, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Means out of 100 boxes, 26 boxes are marked with the decimal, right? So we got out of total 100 square boxes, 26 are having the dots. So now let us convert it in the decimal form to get the decimal number. Okay, now as I told you in the previous exercise that while converting into decimals हमें क्या देखना होता है, how many zeros are there in the denominator. Now there is 100, it carries 2 zeros, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहले तो अपना न्यूमरेटर एज इट इज़ लिख देंगे 26. बिकॉज 100 कैरीज 2 zeros, तो हम 2 डिजिट्स राइट से छोड़ देंगे, 1 and first digit and this is second digit. So because 2 zeros are there, we'll leave first second 2 digits हम छोड़कर decimal place करेंगे and now no digit is left, for that we will place 0. So our decimal number for the first part becomes 0.26. Now because we have to fill this column also, once 10th place, 100th place. So for that we know that this is the decimal, right hand side is 10th place, this is TENTH, this is 10th, this is DREDTH, and this is decimal point, and on the left hand side of the decimal place is ones, ONES. So in this way you will get the values at different places. So at ones place we have 0, so we will write 0 at ones place. At 10th place we have on the right hand side of the decimal, 10th place is the first place, we have 2, so we'll write 2. On 100th place we have 6, so we'll write 6. So in this way you will fill the table, right? So do in this way in your notebook also, right? Now dear students, let's see the second part. Now in the B part, dear students, one big square box and second big square box, means we have 2 square boxes and each big square box contains 100 small squares. So first of all, for 2 boxes, let us take first box contains, first square contains 100, total 100, plus when we add the second box, तो दोनों के बीच में plus sign लगाएंगे, and again there are total 100 small squares in this box, so we will write 100 for this. Now in the first big square, as you can see, all the small 100 squares are filled with the dots. सभी के सभी out of 100, all 100 are filled with the dots, तो 100 out of 100 आ गए. Now in the second square box, let us count the number of dots. Now first row complete carries 10 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10, then plus second row is complete, 20, third row is complete, 20 plus 10, 30, and after that let us count 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So in the second square, out of 100, 38 boxes are filled with the dots. So now let us convert it into decimal form. This 100 will get cancelled out, will get 1 plus. Now for this 100, we'll put the decimal. 100 carries 2 zeros. So first of all, let us write down the numerator 38, because 100 carries 2 zeros. So we'll leave 2 digits. First digit, second digit. We'll start leaving the digits from the right. 1, 2, 2 digits. Then place the decimal, and if no digit is there, place 0. So 1 plus 0.8. And how to add it? If it is 1, so 1 can be written as 1.00. We can place any number of zeros after the decimal. For this point, 0.38. So let us add it. You will get 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 3 is 3. Decimal point, हमेशा decimal point के नीचे decimal point लेना है. 1 plus 0 is 1. So answer is 1.38. Right? So let us fill the table. 1.38. Now the next step is we have to fill the places also. Now this is the decimal. This is decimal and decimal के left वाली place क्या होती है? First place. This is ones. On the right hand side we have TEN THS and this is hundredth. DREDTHS, hundreds. So at ones place now we have 1. So we will fill first column as 1. Then on 10th place we have 3. So we'll place 3. On 100th place we have 8. So we will fill 8. So in this way fill the values. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now dear students, try the third part yourself. Okay, before looking at the video, try the third part yourself. So dear students, again in the sixth part, as you can see, there are 2 big boxes. So for 2 big boxes, let us write first plus second box. First big box contains 100 small squares, so we'll place total in the denominator. Again second big box contains 100 squares, so we will write 100 here. Now in the first big box, all the 100 square boxes have the dots, so we will write 100 out of 100. But out of the second one, see, the first row is complete, 10. Second row is complete, 10 plus 10, 20. In the third row, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we will write 28 by 100. So as we have done in the B part. So similarly, let's move on. This from here we'll get 1. 100 ones are 100. Plus, write down the numerator as it is. And for 100, we'll place the decimal. As it carries 2 digits, so leave 2 digits from the right hand side. 1, 2. So place the decimal and here 0. Now, by adding the 2, as you know, to add it, we can write 1.00 like this. And we'll get 1.28. Now, on the left hand side of the decimal, we have ones place. This is the decimal point. Then on the right hand side of decimal, first place is 10th place. This is 10th place. And after 10th place, we have 100th place. We have 100th place. So, ones place per, we'll fill 1. For 10th place we have 2, we'll write 2, and for 100th place we have 8, so we will write 8. And what is the decimal number? We have decimal number as 1.28. So in this way, dear students, you have to complete the whole question in your notebook also. While doing a notebook, first of all make the table and then solve them in this way. Do the solutions also in your notebook. So I hope the concept is clear to you. So and after looking at the video, try the question yourself. Okay.